Hello everyone, Everything Variety Pro here. So we're going to be getting into another unboxing, and I think this unboxing is going to change the channel for the better. So let's get right into today's video.
Welcome to my channel. If you would like to see more content, subscribe and hit that notification bell.
So, I'm going to make sure you can't see that address this was sent to. You know, I don't want any privacy issues. I'm going to take that off the screen. But it is officially an Amazon package. I apologize, guys. This is taking a lot longer than I thought it would. Okay. It says it has a gift in it. I wonder what this is what it comes with, like, you know, this type of thing. This is what it shows when it, you know, when it comes with, when it has a gift inside the box. So this might not all be mine, but okay, so what just fell on the floor? Oh no. Oh, I see what it was. So I wonder what could be in here. Interesting. Oh, never mind. So this is one of them. I wonder what this could be. And this. So let's get right into the actual part of the video. So, as you probably guessed by the title, the one that we're unboxing today is this one. So, as you see, it is a brand new microphone. So, why would I need this, you ask? Obviously, it would improve the camera quality on my channel. But, anyways, let's get right into the unboxing. So, let's see. Looks like you can just open it up. Let's get into some of the features, maybe. Okay, so it says, with the 4-pin to 3-pin adapter. Oh, it's included. Okay, that's really good. As you see, there's an adapter included. So it will work on PCs, laptops, desktops, and most recorders. Okay, so let's open this up. So it looks to come in a very, very nice pouch. It says Pop Voice. Okay. So there's a bunch of stuff that comes in the box. Let's pan back there. Okay. So, whoa, that's crazy. Okay. So it says, this is everything it has. If you want to read that, I'm not going to go into it, but if you want to read that, you can. Just pause the video. Okay. So, just pause any part of the video. Feel free to. So for this one, I will need to use this adapter for my phone. As you see, because my phone does not have a headphone jack, much like the iPhone 7. Okay, so, and it's an iPhone 8 Plus actually, so. Okay. So it looks like there's a lot of There's a lot of other stuff you can buy but I'm not gonna go into that. I'm just gonna buy what it comes with. So yeah, so let's get into, instead of reading just the guide. So here's the microphone. It's pretty nice. Here are some wind muffs. This is a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be, which is really good. So here's just like an information card. It's really, really small. Let's see. For comparison, this is the headphone jack adapter. Jeez. This is like way small. It's about the same size. Yeah. Okay, so let's get out perhaps one more comparison. Okay, AirPods. AirPods, as you know, are very small. So yeah, very, very small. And let's compare that to the box. It's not huge, but that's good. That's good. That means it'll be light. So it comes with this, and it comes with a clip on your shirt. I'll show you. I'll demonstrate that later. All right, and then okay, this has some really strong, has some very strong, like Velcro on it. It's very good. Okay, so this is very long. Holy heck. Okay, so it's about, 8 feet. So, okay. So it's taller than this. It's, as you see, let's compare it to my height. Okay, so it's significantly taller than me, if you see that. If you see the top. So that's just the length of it. But that's why we have that's why we have this. It'll condense it. Now for the test. Alright, so let's take the headphone and then plug this headphone adapter, into the lightning port. Then take the other end of this. That should just pair, I believe. Okay, so I think we just put it right there. If this doesn't work, I'll just try it again and just show you how it sounds. So hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Have a good day. Goodbye. Also, another thing to mention, if you did want some kind of like noise reduction test, I'll just have that in all my vlogs, showing you how the noise reduction works. So yeah, anyways, thanks for watching.